Now in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create a new template in LibreOffice Writer. So let's type here a simple text. For example, I would like to set it as a new template. So if I would like to do it, I need to go to File, then I need to go to Templates, and I need to select here Save as Template. After that, I need to type here a template name. So for example, I type here my new template. You can select here template category if you want. I recommend you to select here my templates, and if you want you can check set as default template, but I don't recommend you to do it. And now we need to click save button, and after that it will be saved as new template. So if you would like to open this template now, you need to restart LibreOffice Writer. So I close it and I open it again. So I have restarted LibreOffice, so now I need to go to templates, and here you can find your saved template. So I click on my new template, and then it has been successfully loaded here. So it's all for today. If I helped you to use templates in LibreOffice Writer, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel, and please let me know in comment if it's a software problem.